So let's keep it moving. So excited to have Abstrax with us on talking about trusting in terpenes. If there's one thing I am undereducated in when it comes to the cannabis plant, which there are many things, but let's just talk about this one, it is terpenes. I am super excited to hear what Abstrax is doing in the space. We have Max Koby, CEO of Abstrax Technologies here. How are you, sir?
I'm doing great, guys. Thank you so much for having me. It's a pleasure to be here today.
Oh, we're pumped to have you, my friend. You are already sharing your screen. I don't even need to be here. I'm peacing out, Max. Throwing it to you.
All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for the time today. I'm Max Koby, CEO and co-founder of Abstrax. We really appreciate the opportunity to be here to talk to you about terpenes and introduce our company, who is leading the charge in botanical terpene product formulations. We're a leading pioneer, supplier of terpene flavorings and ingredients with a focus on researching cannabis and botanically derived terpene formulations. Our passion is pioneering terpene-driven formulations that create unforgettable product experiences. And we're helping to shape the cannabis industry and to develop new and innovative product applications for consumer packaged goods. Now, I know a lot of you know what terpenes are, but I want to give you a quick overview. Terpenes are responsible for the way plants smell. Terpenes are also the key ingredients responsible for the complex flavor and aroma profiles that create cannabis, wine, and hop profiles. Terpenes are also used in plant medicines, perfumery, aromatherapy, as well as flavoring ingredients. Terpenes are the most functional flavorings and aroma compounds, and cannabis is actually the most abundant source of these valuable compounds throughout the plant kingdom. Terpenes are the key ingredients that allow manufacturers the ability to produce standardized product formulations that not only provide flavor and aroma, but also benefits for the mind and body that help create these consistent consumer experiences. We have been operating since 2018 and developing leading partnerships with some of the world's largest multi-state cannabis operators, CPG brands, and research companies. We're also in many cases the exclusive or primary supplier to many of these companies, including the largest distributors of cannabis goods like Kush. We actually just recently renewed our partnership with Kush. It's been an amazing partnership, and we continue to expand our distribution with companies like Greenfield, who's one of the largest alcohol suppliers in the nation. Our research and technology, proprietary formulations, and dedication to quality is what creates our wide scientific moat, product moat, and reputational moat, which is not easy to replicate without a significant amount of time, money, resource, and relationships invested. First, it starts with our specialized Type 7 manufacturing facility, which is conveniently located in Southern California, which allows us to study, extract, and optimize the highest quality cannabis and botanical product formulations. We then set up a separate food grade manufacturing facility where we produce the highest quality flavor experiences without using any type of THC. And we're able to distribute these products to over 33 countries for our customers to use in their product applications. We have developed our R&D program utilizing state-of-the-art analytical technology. We have partnerships with leading cultivators in California. We've analyzed over 1,400 samples of the freshest, highest quality, and most popular cannabis strains available throughout the world. Our research has led to the identification of numerous new flavor compounds and ultimately the development of over 85 custom terpene testing standards, which enables unprecedented accuracy of testing, as well as the creation of superior formulations in an IP portfolio. To improve the speed of our research, we have developed our own custom software solutions, which speeds up the analytics and analysis, which finds the relationships in these strain formulations in seconds. All this technology and research wouldn't be possible without an amazing team of PhD-led award-winning manufacturers, chemists, material scientists, and chemical engineers. This has allowed us to provide unparalleled and proprietary product formulations that have protectable IP along with patents pending. Finally, with our expansive library of ingredients, we have developed the gold standard for quality management systems, including ingredient purification, standardization, and quality testing, along with peer-reviewed research. At Abstrax, we are creating the highest testing standards for terpenes in the entire industry utilizing multidimensional GC technology. We have developed a 3D metabolite fingerprint that is able to identify over 400 compounds in cannabis and other botanicals, which allows us the ability to quantify the flavor, aroma, and effects of botanical profiles quantitatively with a complete picture. Rather than most other testing labs throughout the US, which are currently only testing for between 20 to 40 terpenes using the 1D GC technology shown in the picture here, using current industrial testing standards. At Abstrax, we're able to go beyond 1D into the second dimension and identify over 10 hidden compounds in a singular industrial testing standard using our technology. This would be like if you could only see the tallest building in front of you, and if you had a bird's eye view, then all of a sudden it would open up an entirely new perspective for you, which would allow you to see the entire city landscape. This is our 3D metabolite fingerprint. This is the type of exploratory research that has allowed us to quantify over 400 compounds in cannabis and hops, discover many of these new compounds, develop our own custom testing standards, and importantly, and most importantly, has really allowed us the ability to reproduce cannabis and botanical formulations with absolute precision. Our research and technology has created an enormous proprietary library of standardized terpene extracts, many of which are unique to Abstrax. We empower our clients to create proprietary formulations that are key ingredients in their products that are extremely sticky and improve the quality, safety, and margins for manufacturers. Our technology is not limited to cannabis. In fact, it is directly applicable to both hops and hemp. First, we select the optimal profile to be standardized. Then we select the input materials and extract to refine these base ingredients. We then refine all the additional botanically derived terpene isolates and aroma compounds to ultimately combine with the extract to optimize and create a targeted profile. And the last steps are to customize either the flavor, effects, or final application, including oil-soluble, water-soluble, or powderized delivery systems. This proprietary formulation process allows us to standardize cannabis, hops, and hemp extracts to be consistent, safe, and more effective. With over 400 natural compounds, it becomes challenging to standardize your ingredients found in cannabis, and it was of the utmost importance to us to ensure we're able to standardize every ingredient that goes through our manufacturing process. And this would not be possible without a robust quality management system. We created the gold standard for quality in the terpene and cannabis industry that ensures all botanical isolates are steam distilled, molecularly purified, and of the highest purity, meaning they're organic compliant, kosher certified, and we test everything 3 times to meet the strictest standards for cannabis products, which is far beyond the requirements for food grade ingredients. We're ISO certified, HACCP certified, GMP certified at an FDA registered facility, and all of our products are kosher and organic compliant. Resulting from our research program was the first discovery of the gas, which according to Terpenes and Testing magazine was in Industry Insiders is revolutionizing the terpene and cannabis industries. Weedmaps then coined this discovery as the definition of what makes cannabis dank, which is the quintessential aroma of cannabis and what sets good cannabis apart from others. We were very fortunate last month to be voted from Business Insider as one of the hottest cannabis startups of 2021. And we have also won multiple industry awards for manufacturing and have many industry publications as well as peer-reviewed research. Abstrax terpene ingredients power many product applications beyond vape, including food and beverage, alcohol and beer, as well as personal care items. Abstrax has either been an exclusive or primary supplier to many of the world's largest cannabis companies, which are using Abstrax terpenes to help differentiate their vape product offerings. Terpenes are driving the enjoyment of both cannabis and beer. Terpenes in beer is worth $1 billion in the US alone for the microbrewing industry, for craft brew. Our technology developed for cannabis is directly applicable to beer to revolutionize the brewing process, not just adding flavor, but actually supplementing hop profiles to create more consistency. Our products improve the flavor, stability, and profits for brewers. Abstrax is providing the key ingredients required for alcohol and cannabis companies to work together. Flavorings and alcohol is an enormous segment of the market and a growing opportunity for Abstrax. Abstrax terpene profiles not only improve flavor, but also consistency, shelf stability, and allow more control over the flavoring that goes into the beverages. El Hempe was one of the first alcohol companies to create a terpene-infused mezcal and RTD line of beverages with Abstrax. Terpenes are not only provide benefits for both flavor and aroma, but they also create mood enhancing benefits in food and beverages. We're pioneering studies to help prove the efficacy through the gut that these do in fact impart benefits on the mind and body, including energy, focus, uplifting, and calming functional flavors. Cannabis is our roadmap to understand how these ingredients work. And through our proprietary emulsification process, we can provide not only oil-soluble terpenes, but also water-soluble terpenes and powder terpenes for different types of food and beverage applications. Functional terpenes for aromas is an untapped segment of the market. We developed some amazing functional aromas for some brands, including Fifth and Root, which really allowed them to differentiate their products on the shelf to ultimately get into Ulta, Nordstrom's, Revolve, and Anthropologie. There's so many benefits to terpenes beyond flavor, including helping the skin to absorb cannabinoids, as well as skin hydration, and to help decrease inflammation. And now we continue to work on new applications for terpenes, including terpene-infused rolling papers, which is a way for cannabis companies to share the experience of this wonderful, amazing plant with the entire world without using any THC in their products. Today, we offer key ingredients that are used by some of the largest cannabis companies in the world and now emerging CPG brands that are looking to utilize terpenes in their products. We've developed different categories of products, including cannabis terpenes, flavored terpenes, isolated terpenes of the highest purity, food and beverage terpenes that are both TTB approved and water soluble, proprietary liquefiers that have proven safe for vaping, as well as terpene infused rolling papers and optimized cannabis derived extracts. Everybody needs terp testing in order to develop a consistent product formulation. So what we do is we focus on testing aroma, flavor, and effects. We develop customized product data sheets for our clients in order to optimize the quality of their products. We offer safety vape aerosol testing to ensure that the products that we create for our customers are safe and consistent throughout the vaping application. And we also assist our customers with degradation studies. All this allows us to create custom terpene formulations, functional flavoring aroma systems, and custom applications for our clients to really educate their customers on what these flavors and experiences are intended to do. We're really excited about the future of Abstrax and applying our technology for new applications, including the development of our hop terpene profiles, hemp terpene profiles and optimized extracts, as well as AI-based functional terpene blends for food and beverage manufacturers. What sets Abstrax apart from the competition is simple. Abstrax is the only flavor house in the entire world that specializes in terpene and cannabis research. We are the only licensed manufacturer and research company located in the US today that can physically touch cannabis, partner with cultivators to understand the complexity of these aroma profiles. We've developed leading technology that's one of a kind in the US. We've innovated new custom product applications and provide custom formulation services to our customers. And we've developed the most robust and highest quality management system in the entire industry by developing our own set of terpene standards. Our existing footprint allows us to distribute our terpenes to over 33 different countries. About 10% of our business today comes from Canada, and we're currently benefiting from intrinsic growth in the US with our existing MSO clients, but really looking forward to the emerging markets like Mexico, UK, and Asia as well. Terpenes are a fast-growing segment of the global flavor and aroma industry. We are looking to be a supply chain disruptor by pioneering terpene research with cannabis and applying that to CPG applications. Terpenes were actually accounted for over 36% of the global aroma category, yet we know this much about terpenes today, and cannabis teaches us this much about those possible applications. A lot of those new discoveries we're making in cannabis are really going to allow us to pioneer new functional flavorings for the global aroma industry. Key activities driving our growth. So we own our niche of cannabis science. We're now transitioning that niche to hops, hemp, and outside the cannabis industry by developing new leading product applications for new specific markets like food and beverage applications, cosmetic applications, and flavor and fragrance applications. We're going to be benefiting this year from new MSOs and key accounts that we brought on last year that are going to provide us intrinsic growth through 2021. We brought on new distributors as well as renewing our partnership with Kush, which is going to bring over $1 million new business this year and over 400 new referrals. We have some amazing partnerships that we've set up with distributor partners, and we continue to focus on our channel expansion with dedicated internal sales resources, new terpene blends, infused products, and expanding our product offerings. We're going to continue to grow our catalog as well as our client base and improve our marketing to all the customers that we're not touching today.